Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the player gift in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how you can use the player gift, I'm going to show you how you can get this item. If you want to get this item guys, you need to join the Christmas harvest event and you will have chance to get this player gift. Okay, you can submit the Christmas mutated plants, and after you reach 200 points, you will get reward. And I got this player gift. And if you want to use it, guys, just go to the other players like this, and you can give the um, player gift to your friends, and you will get reward from gifting. I'm going to give the present to this player. Okay. And I got a rare present from gifting. And yeah, this is a cool. You will get present and the players as well. I give him this present so he can get the present, and I also get the present. Oops, but I need to wait for 6 seconds. And okay guys, that's how you can use the player gift and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.